Hello and welcome to a parental support maths session brought to you by the Kemnor Academy Trust. My name is Kat McKeever and I'm a lead practitioner. Today I'm going to lead you through some strategies and background information about subtraction in Year 3 so that you have the confidence to support your child as they move through primary school. If you'd like to gain knowledge about the steps before this, please do watch the Subtraction in Year 2 session. Once the children get to Year 3, they have a good understanding of number and how they relate to each other. They will also be able to use language related to subtraction and will be growing in confidence when it comes to thinking about subtraction in their everyday life, especially if they have some birthday money to spend and they have a list of things they would like to buy. They might ask themselves, do I have enough money? How much will I have left? Even this simple life event shows how addition and subtraction are linked. Subtracting numbers mentally, and in fact accurately, is something children will be able to do once they are able to use number facts that they already know. For example, 8 take away 5 equals 3, therefore 80 take away 50 equals 30, and 800 take away 500 equals 300. The example equation or calculation here is 856 take away 724. The children will know that to find the answer, the largest number must come first, and then the small number is the one to be subtracted. The pictorial example in the middle of the screen shows you a part-whole model. The whole is the 856, and one of the parts is 724. Once the children have found the other part, they will have found the answer. Sometimes it's helpful for children to write the numbers in this model, as the numbers are nearly in the familiar column layout. Children will be given lots of support when choosing which strategy to use so that they can solve the equations accurately. When subtracting numbers mentally, children will model the mental strategy using resources. When children learn it for the first time, they will show an example of how their strategy using the resources or objects is required. However, children will be encouraged to use known facts about how to find out answers rather than relying on counting resources or images. The written column method uses the ideas that the children will have been taught in Year 1 and 2, including the focus on place value, which is the value of each number. When teaching this method, teachers will make sure that there is at least one element of regrouping so that the children understand when it's most useful. In this example, 237 take away 188, there is at least one element of regrouping as we know it. Looking at the ones column, the 8 cannot be subtracted from 7. When we were at school, this regrouping was in fact called borrowing. When it comes to the written method, just like for addition, children will use the base 10 and blocks and then encourage the children to draw bar models to show their thinking. These are resources which we use in school, but they can be easily swapped for household objects and toys. Lego is a fantastic swap, and looking at the concrete picture here, it's quite easy to see how it can be swapped in. But pencil crayons can be used as 10 sticks, pasta pieces as ones, use birthday cards as the hundreds. When children are solving equations, they will be able to use the resources to support them. Some teachers may also introduce place value counters at this stage. For how these counters are used alongside the written method, please find and watch the Year 5 and 6 subtraction video. Although the model in the suggested video is for 5-digit numbers, the principle is the same. Thank you so much for watching this session. We hope that you find it helpful when supporting your child with mathematics at home.